All right, when you're ready.
Okay. Animal testing. My investigative question was, should animals be used for biomedical research?
Good morning. Please excuse this interruption. At this time, would all choir and orchestra students participating in Mass please be dismissed to the Great Hall. Again, at this time, all choir and orchestra students participating in Mass should be dismissed at this time to the Great Hall. Thank you.
Throughout the course of biomedical history, animals have been used for crucial experiments exploring human and animal biology, testing pharmaceuticals, and the safety of various medical products. Common animals referred to are mice, rats, rabbits, and other primates, and they undergo diverse medical procedures. As I stated prior, my investigative question was, should we use animals for biomedical research? I came to the conclusion that no, we should not use animals for biomedical research. Although there is benefit to animal testing, there are many environmental factors that pose a significant threat to various species. Furthermore, the evidence provided by the scientific and ethical lenses proves that we should not subject non-human organisms to testing or other forms of experimentation. Animal testing subjects species to immoral, unethical, and inhumane tests that are avoidable. My three main points are health risks, replacement methods, and pollution. First, for health risks. According to the FDA, only 8% of the drugs tested on animals are safe and effective for human use, and the other 92% are not. Impacts of animal testing. Underlying the profound impact of chemicals in vivisection is crucial for the medical perspective. Medical practitioners must grasp the gravity of this issue, acknowledging the potential exposure for risk despite regulatory measures. The toxicity tests conducted in vivisection procedures often lead to severe medical consequences to animals, including vomiting, seizures, internal bleeding, organ damage, and mortality. A great example of the risks associated with animal testing is the thalidomide epidemic. The drug was used to treat pregnant individuals who had symptoms of nausea and vomiting and showed no adverse side effects while undergoing countless animal tests. Later, the drug caused birth defects, and up to 40% of infants died due to the defects caused by this drug. Replacement methods. It is crucial to understand that scientists who have a keen interest for animal testing regard to the 3 R's, meaning replacement, reduction, and refinement. Some replacement methods include human and cell tissue-based technology, human volunteer testing, and computer models. These replacement methods are not only address ethical concerns related to animal use, but also align moral principles by respecting the intrinsic value of human life. They are more accurate, cost-effective, and have quicker results. For counter-argument, Big Pharma has used animal testing to identify potential effects of new drugs. Scientists have established infectious diseases, including tetanus, rabies, whooping cough, tuberculosis, poliomyelitis, measles, mumps, and rubella. Pollution. Even in small doses, certain substances can be dangerous, posing a risk to death. These working in such environments are vulnerable. Animal testing can contribute to pollution through various channels, primarily involving the use and disposal of chemicals, waste generated during experiments, and the environmental impact of breeding and housing laboratory animals. Animal experimentation involving the use of animal secretions and harmful chemicals leads to severe medical issues such as vomiting, seizures, internal bleeding, organ damage, and death. The resulting deadly health concerns outweigh the perceived benefits to humanity. Additionally, improper disposal of experiment-related chemicals including pharmaceuticals poses environmental hazards contributing to water and soil pollution. In conclusion, we should not experiment on animals for biomedical research. The evidence provided by the scientific and ethical lenses demonstrates that we should not subject animals to testing or other forms of inhumane experimentation.
Abby, how did your research question evolve as you moved through the research process? And did your research go in the direction you thought it was going to?
Honestly, my research, I want to say just like through like the ethical perspective, I feel like it's just recognizing like the health risks that like these species face, and like just in the future, like how are we going to overcome these issues, and like how are they like going to be resolved, because it's not like they can be resolved overnight. Like as scientists say, like the three replacement method, or the 3 R's, it's just replacement just isn't possible yet, and we need to further kind of find more information into that.
Okay, thank you. If you had more time, what additional research would you conduct related to this issue?
I would focus on like the futuristic perspective, because I feel like it's important to recognize that in the future, like, could this be replaced by computer models or other various forms of like replacement methods, but also like what is going to happen to like previous like animal testing centers and the pollution that's put into like our environment.
Okay, thank you.